Welcome to the Amar'e Stoudemire and the Amar'e Stoudemire presents the Peace Camp here in Jerusalem. Right now we have a great group of players here that are enjoying the game of basketball and really being able to appreciate what the game brings. It brings unity, it brings peace, it brings fun. Good? Yeah. All right, great. So you know what's happening, right? It's the Amar'e Stoudemire Peace Camp. Started back in 2016 to bring everyone together to enjoy the game of basketball, right? Tamir's been very helpful for us this year with this camp. He was able to organize this for me and really bring out a lot of campers here. So thank you, Tamir, for your help. This is Amar'e Stoudemire live from Jerusalem. Thanks for coming to the Peace Camp. Signing out.